we're gonna do is we are gonna draw square. So a square is going to be based on my last video. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you need to go back and watch that first. But it's really easy and it's similar to drawing a rhombi, except for rhombi, we copy angle. Here, we're gonna draw perpendicular and then we're just gonna length transfer all the sides. So it typically doesn't matter which point you pick because you're going to do either, but I'm just going to pick this point here and call this O. And then you just need to get the intersection of the circle. So if you don't want to draw the full circle, that's fine. You can take A and then draw enough to where we see the intersection. Actually, I lied. You do need to draw the full circle. So you're going to draw it all the way around. And then I need to connect this point here, C, all the way through. And then now I can connect A here. And there's my perpendicular. And so now the last step that I have to do is length transfer all of these sides. And again, if you remember the way that this works, since they're all equal, similar to a rhombi, I'm going to connect this down. So I get, let's just call this D. And now what I do is I keep that same radius I had, sorry, length that I had, and just arc them all. And then I'm going to connect. And there's my square. And we'll call this E. So the required square is A, B, D, E. Now, if I want to draw a rectangle, it's very similar. All I do is I'm going to start out, actually, to make my life a little bit easier. I'm going to draw a line fully, and then I'm going to length transfer AB. So I'm going to length transfer AB here. We'll call this D, E. I'm going to draw my perpendicular again. So I'm going to pick some point. Draw the full circle all the way through. So now that I have my full circle, I'm going to find that circumference, draw it all the way through. We'll call this point C. And then what I need to do here is, I did this wrong. Sorry. Point here, then I have my center. Go all the way through. Then go down. Great, there we go. I'm going to extend this just a little bit more. Just so I'm able to length transfer CD. Put this here. We'll call this F. And now all that's left, similar to how I do a parallelogram, is I'm going to length transfer each of these. So I length transfer the matching equal side here, and I length transfer the matching side here. And that's because rectangles have equal opposite sides, similar to parallelograms. And then I draw my sides. So I have one side here and one side here, and we'll just maybe call this point G. And so my rectangle is DFGE. There we go. And sorry for that mistake. You should always connect the other way. That's my bad. And then all of these are right angles. These are equal and these are equal as well. Great. All right. And then we will move on to SAS construction in the next video.